Hi, so today I'll be talking about usability tests. Usability tests are essentially tests that are meant to improve instructions for a product or a process. Usability tests are conducted by gathering members of the target audience of the product or process and having them test that product or process. There are two types of usability tests, which are concurrent and retrospective. Concurrent tests are conducted during the test of the product or process, and retrospective are conducted afterwards. Concurrent tests include think aloud methods and other things like that, while retrospective include surveys and tests. In the next few clips, I'll show you a usability test that a few classmates and I conducted. This usability test was meant to revise instructions on a chemistry experiment. The target audience for this experiment was 6th graders. As I show you the clips, I will point out important aspects of the usability tests. The first clip here shows my classmate explaining to 6th graders how to do the think aloud concurrent method.
So what we're going to have you guys do is, while you're doing the experiment, we want you to basically say everything that's going on in your head about what you're doing, how well you think you're doing it, how well the instructions are, and everything like that. Just say everything that's going on in your head. And also, if you guys have any struggles, we're not going to help you for part of the usability test. For the part of the usability test, we're not going to help you guys through any stuff unless if you get really, really stuck.
In this next clip, you'll see that having the testers all work in a group may not be the best idea, but sometimes can't be helped because the 6th graders in our experiment didn't want to work together as a team.
Okay, stick those in bottle. Wait, what are we doing? We're setting it up. You see, you have to have this. Gather material. Here, let me come over here. Hold on. You're on the wrong side. No, you aren't. No, we ain't. We're doing this right. Look, this is what you're supposed to. Oh my gosh. There's direction on the other side. Jaden, it says do it. It says do it as the diagram. Okay, that doesn't go there. See, we're done. No, we're not done. So then we put the power in. Wait, do we have all the materials? Yeah, who knows? They don't listen. The materials are right here. Yeah, we have all the materials.
In this next clip, you'll see how a usability test can really be helpful because the 6th graders in our experiment didn't know how to measure with a graduated cylinder, so we ended up having to put that into our instructions for them to be able to know how to do that.
I did it. That's what I don't know. It doesn't say. Let me do this. It said 20. Small graduation. This one. Yeah.
In this next clip, you'll see that usability test participants sometimes ask for assistance, but you really should refrain from helping them because it can mess up the results for your usability test.
Are we supposed to write stuff? Stop playing.
At this point in our usability test, the 6th graders didn't fully understand the instructions, so as a revision, we had to make sure to clearly label what needed to be done next in the instructions.
You can test the amount of water transferred by the reaction. To do this, also have spice using 400 milliliters of water instead of 500. Okay, and use 900 milliliters of liquid of your choice instead of 9. Awesome. Of liquid of our choice. 900 milliliters of vinegar. Yes. Oh. Let's do it. Hey, where do you see that? Where do you see that? If we even have enough for that.
In this next clip, you'll see my classmate explaining how to do the retrospective survey for our usability test.
We have a survey, it's just over what you guys just said about the experiment and everything. I want you guys to answer honestly and to the best of your ability. You don't have we don't need you guys to answer anything because
we thought that this would be a good addition to this video.
So are we done?
I'm going to use this one.